Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit is a small mammal of the Leporidae family, which is found in many places of the world. There are 8 species of rabbit found in the world. Rabbits live in groups in forests, grasslands, deserts and watery areas. Angora wool is obtained from rabbits. The rabbit makes maps of every place in his mind, and he does not like to have things moving from here to there. Goats. Goats originated from the mountainous regions of Western Asia and Eastern Europe, grazing in the hills and plains. Modern-day common goats are known to be domesticated goats and are believed to be very closely related to sheep. Goats have been used for thousands of years for their meat, hair, milk and hides. Goats are also used in some countries to help carry heavy loads. Most species of male goats naturally have 2 horns on the top of their head. Goat horns are made of the substance keratin, from which human nails are also made. Male goats primarily use their horns to protect against other dominant male goats and unwanted predators. Some goat species also have females that have 2 horns on the top of their head. Goats are generally found in more barren landscapes, and many goat species prefer mountainous and rocky areas. Goats that live in mountain cliff faces are surprisingly agile and able to hold on to small catches well and are very capable of running around and running on them. The goat is a natural prey for many predators including leopards, tigers, large reptiles and generally humans. Today goats are also found in parts of South America where goats are farmed and hunted for their meat and skins. The goat is most closely related to sheep, and there are many similarities between the 2 species as well as a number of differences including the length of the goat's tail, which is much longer than the sheep's tail. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. The skin of the dog of this breed is medium in length and silky. This breed has thick hair on the chest, legs, ears, legs and tail. This breed is found in many colors like black, dark brown, reddish brown, etc. The average height of this breed is 12 to 13 inches and the average weight is 13 to 18 pounds. The average lifespan of this breed is about 10 to 14 years. The amount and variety of food depends on the age and breed of the dog. Small breeds require less amount of food than larger breeds. Food should be given in proper quantity or else the dog becomes lethargic and obese. A balanced diet that includes carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and trace elements is essential to keep pets healthy and in good shape. Dogs need 6 essential elements, namely fat, minerals, vitamins, carbohydrates, water and protein. Along with this, they need clean water all the time. Puppies need 29% protein and adult dogs need 18% protein in their diet. We can give them all these essential elements by giving them high-quality dry food.